Dr. Brandon here. Going to show you the wobble chair. So we integrate this with our decompression machine, some warm-ups and whatnot that we do with it. And then what this does has the ability to move the spine and help that disc material move back to where it needs to go. So what we do with this is just gently move in all directions, and this chair allows us to get into all planes of motion while we're doing this to get ready and help with the disc. So this is a great warm-up for the decompression, and we use this for our patients here.